Atuhamize Yorom's journey towards establishing JORA Shoes was inspired by a chance discovery in his garden of a worn-out shoe that he repaired and wore with pride. However, it was during his tenure as a teacher that his life took a new direction, fueled by his passion for footwear.
At the school where I was teaching, they needed to buy shoes, and someone delivered the shoes. We got them, and I was like, "Hey, you mean these shoes can be made in Uganda?" The person was like, "Yes." So I got his number, and at some point, one time I was in Kampala, I landed on a gentleman. I got his contact again. By then I didn't have a phone. That was 2007. So when I got his number in 2010, where I was teaching, they told me they needed shoes. I was like, "Hey, I have someone who can make these shoes for you." I came, I talked to him, and he was able to sell to me the shoes. I took them. I was like, I think this is something that I can do.
One vital aspect of JORA Shoes' commitment to local sourcing is its partnership with Kawumu Tannery. This tannery, commissioned by President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni in October 2022, provides the essential raw material, leather, which JORA Shoes transforms into high-quality footwear.
The leather which we use, it is quite expensive. It's not cheap when you have to compare it with the synthetic leather which is imported from China or elsewhere. Then the other thing is also the soles, because some of the soles we also import them. So those constitute the biggest cost of JORA Shoes.
JORA Shoes has adopted a strategic marketing approach targeting bulk consumers, such as schools that purchase sizable quantities to supply their students and make a profit. Over the years, the company has expanded its operations, employing over 20 full-time staff members.
Companies like JORA Shoes are going out of their way to produce products that were formerly heavily imported. But to what extent are they benefiting from the import substitution incentives?
The criteria and the requirements they need for you to be able to qualify, they are so high. And like such loans, I'm not kind of person who runs for loans, given my background, because I would want to get a loan when I know it is going to be repaid in this way. So we have grown organically. We have never gotten anyone's loan. We have used our own money.
As the workforce has grown, so has the complexity of managing the business, requiring careful economic decisions to ensure its sustainability.
At the start it was easy because we had very few workers, but now you need money. There has to be constant production, short of which they will be seated and they will not be working, and you'll be making a loss.
Despite the company's success, JORA Shoes faces challenges, particularly in dealing with inconsistent, costly electricity supply. These issues, coupled with substantial tax expenses, have led to the fluctuations in production capacity. On good days, the company can produce up to 300 pairs of shoes, but this output can be influenced by fluctuations in demand. JORA Shoes stands as a testament to the potential of import substitution in Uganda's economy. As the company continues to grow, it remains an example of how small industries can play a significant role in economic development, even in the face of challenges. Wadulo Mark Arnold, UBC News, in Rubaga, Kampala.